Moral of the story is the pictures did not do this sneaker justice. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. ggkickzz here. Today we're taking a look at this Air Jordan 3, very beautiful shoe in the Cardinal Red colorway. They brought this colorway over from the Air Jordan 7, and these released February 19th, 2022. So if you cop, let me know in the comment section down below. I am a little late because I got the playoff review out before this one. Sorry about that. I may like this shoe a little more. I may. Don't kill me. I know that's an OG, but this is just so, ooh. 15% elephant print on the box, the rest Cardinal Red. You have your Jumpman on the box here. Nothing too crazy about this box, although I like the Jordan 3s, how they're doing the two-tone boxes with the colorway, you know, inspired by the colorway. So that's dope for those who like to collect boxes. But these are getting a spot up there. That's how much I like them. All right, so without wasting your time, let's just open up the box, man, because this shoe speaks for itself. I'm gonna show you the shoe and you let me know what you think down below. You let me know what you think. Elephant print on the paper. Like, I know you can see that shining. I know you can see that shining from the camera. So right here you have it, man. This beautiful Air Jordan 3 in this Cardinal colorway. Let's throw that to the side. First thing you notice right off the bat is this candy paint color. I call it candy paint because if you guys remember the Air Jordan 14s, it had a candy cane, candy paint, something like that. But it was this basically like a very shiny cherry red, or they even had like a very shiny UNC one. But anyways, this reminds me of that. So we have the Cardinal Red going all around the midsole this time, and it actually completes 360 all around. A lot of people may not notice that, but that's not how the Air Jordan 3s are. Here we got some 2011, 2012 black cements. You guys can see it ends right there. You guys can see it ends right there at that indentation. So it's like a two-tone color. They decided to go 360 with these. Here are the true blues. So we're going to be talking about the shoes that this was inspired by. We're going to be talking about the quality. We're going to be talking about the quality control, because that's something very different. Also the resale value. Also the on foot, which is probably your most favorite. That will be towards the end of the video, so make sure you guys stick around for that. Enjoy the show, because this is going to be a lit review. Very excited about this shoe, so without further ado, let's go. Here's a close-up on the size tag. Air Jordan 3 white light Curry-Cardinal Red, retailing for $200, even though the size ticker is not there. Size 12 for the personal. Regular Air Jordan 3 box. Here we have the shoe in all its glory, man. So this shoe right here was inspired by the Air Jordan 7 Cardinal Red. Put a picture up right here. Basically took that colorway and put it on this beautiful Air Jordan 3, which I very much love. So without further ado, let's start off with the outsole. You have your regular classic Air Jordan 3 outsole with the gray, white, and Cardinal Red. Cardinal Red on the toe as well. Crispy stars all over the toe. You have your white stitching right there and around the toe box. If you guys have noticed, this strip of elephant print is a lot thinner than in previous models. Here we have the Air Jordan True Blue, which this shoe took inspiration from. The Cardinal Red took inspiration from this shoe as well. We're going to be talking about that in a second, but as you guys can see, it's much fatter. And no, it's not that they're different sizes or quality control. That's just how they made these. And I'm not gonna lie, I like the skinnier elephant print. It just looks very dope. It makes the toe box look very nice and crispy. Quality control on this was off the chain, man. I'm just letting you know now. So you have like this candy paint red, aka Cardinal Red, in a very glossy finish, going all around, completely around this Air Jordan 3. Usually it stops at this little indentation right here. They usually like make this white or a different color. That's from the colorway. Like on these True Blues, see what I'm saying? Inside of the medial side of the shoe right here, you have that. So that's something that this shoe does different. Candy paint all around. Which makes you question, why was this ever a thing? You know what I mean? Because I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I like this better. Take some time to get used to, you know, but overall it just makes the shoe look higher quality, if you know what I mean. So white midsole, you have your translucent air unit in there as well in white and translucent. Candy paint all around. elephant print, we already talked about it. Looks nicely done, this elephant print. On the other side, on the medial side, maybe it's the other sneaker. This is the only bad thing I can point out about the quality control, at least on my shoe. This is like the only little thing, just some bleeding off the elephant print. But that's literally nothing, bro. That's literally nothing. Like, you can't even see it anywhere else, and nobody's gonna notice that. You know what I mean? The back tab, we have the Air Jordan logo on the back tab. Is not an original colorway, so it doesn't get the Nike Air on the back, but it still looks fresh, man. It still looks fresh. The new badge looks very good. Nothing under the flap. You have like your little breathable material right here near the collar area, and just the whole shape of the shoe, it's more like that OG shape. So that just makes it amazing. So we're gonna be taking a look at the laces here. You have your flat white laces going all up around the tongue, breathable material underneath there. You have your eyelids in this glossy finish that hits this glossy finish. It's just, man, it just looks so good. You guys can see the lights reflecting off that. It just makes it look a lot better. So you have your glossy finish on the eyelids. You have the gold ones down here in the middle. You have the Cardinal Red. Then you have your elephant print as well behind the eyelids. That's another thing that the True Blue did and not any other Air Jordan 3 did. So come on, man. You guys can see the differences. It just switched the colors, you know what I mean? So it looks amazing. The Air Jordan on the tongue looks amazing. Like, come on, man, that's crisp. Jordan don't got a belly. He looking healthy. Oh, this one looks kind of okay. But yeah, he's looking healthy right there. The shape of the tongue, super circular, you know what I mean? No bumpy edges, nicely done. Underneath that, you have the US size 12. You have your size tag. And on the inside, you just have your Jumpman. Nothing too crazy in the insoles. This is just a regular release. But for a regular release, come on, man. The crazy material is super on point. Nice tumbled leather going all around. Have your flat leather on the mudguard there. And it's just a spectacular shoe, man. You guys can see the quality on the camera. I know you can. I know you can. Let me know what you guys think of these, man. Come on. They're so dope. I'm so excited for these, if you guys can't tell. It's been a while since I've been excited for a shoe, but these are honestly dope. Nice summer shoe to wear with some shorts. You guys know the drill. Let's get on to the outfit. All right, guys. So with all that being said, what do you guys rate this Air Jordan 3 Cardinal Red? I'm going to be giving it a 10 out of 10. Yes, I know it's on an OG colorway, but it brought back some new features. What? It brought back some new features? It brought some new features included, and it brought back some old stuff that got me excited. So you know what I mean? Like, just the crispiness in this tongue right here, you know, it's like they perfected it. It was never that crispy before. You know what I mean? Like, it's just a redefined shoe, and I like it. It's a nice new colorway, very refreshing. You guys let me know what you guys think of this shoe in the comment section down below. I may like these better than the Fire Red 3s, you know, but don't judge me too much on that. I have to see how the quality and stuff is when they release. I think in May. They're set for May, but with all these delays, you know what it is, man. Basically, the comparison between these two right here is the Air Jordan 3 True Blue was the first one to do this elephant print by the eyelids there, and accompanied with the toe box and the medial heel of the shoe. So same thing with this right here. It's just very dope touch, and plus the lace holders are also in that glossy finish, so you can see that shimmering with the midsole, just giving it a dope vibe. So this shoe right here, like I said, 10 out of 10. You guys let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. It's been ggkickzz. If you guys enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.